Paulami, if you're there, the CJI seems to be dictating an order. Can you give us updates? Because the question is, has UU Lalit recused himself? Is there an official confirmation on that coming in? Paulami. Okay, I'll try and connect back to Paulami Saha right away. Do you think this could be big? How do you see this, Prateek Som? I mean, I would want my correspondent to confirm that once, but the fact that CJI is saying stick to schedule, Rajiv Dhawan saying, I also want to bring in here how Rajiv Dhawan said, I'm bringing to your lordship's notice, though we don't have an objection to him hearing the matter, referring, I think, to UU Lalit. So, what do you think is happening? I think this is very big.
See, of course it is, and it is a more of a googly coming in from him. And
unexpected.
Yeah, it was very unexpected, and must be a catch-22 situation for whole of the bench, and it must have gone in a bad taste to some people, as I think this will certainly, you know, defer the hearing for a certain time, and at this point of time people are not at all interested in deferring the case. Justice UU Lalit recusing himself at this point of time is a big, you know, turnaround.
Okay.
And let's see who the new honorable justice came in for in this bench, because as I said earlier, that Justice UU Lalit is a person who is a prospective Chief Justice of India.
Yes.
And the whole purpose of constituting this bench is defeated by one
Prateek,
mere submission.
This bench is only to decide further schedule. For that also, do you think...
Today they will only decide the further schedule, but this is the bench which will hear the matter as well. Which will hear the case, yes.
Paulami, can you just also tell us what precisely did Rajiv Dhawan even say that is now leading to the bench considering it?
Well, Pooja, just let me take you through quickly, because the news flashes have just seemed to come in from inside the courtroom. What has happened since Advocate Rajiv Dhawan raised the issue of Justice UU Lalit having represented Kalyan Singh in 1994 in a contempt case? Senior Advocate Harish Salve intervened in the matter and said, I don't think there is a problem with Justice UU Lalit. The matter where he appeared was a connected criminal matter. These appeals are related to a different issue. Advocate Rajiv Dhawan then says, want to flag another issue. There is a judicial order that this matter will be before a 3-judge bench. The issue raised by Advocate Ramachandran was to send the matter to a 5-judge bench. The judicial order was that there was no reason to refer the matter to a 5-judge bench. So Rajiv Dhawan referring to a judicial order which said that this should be heard by a 3-judge bench. Advocate Ramachandran had said that this is a matter to be heard by a 5-judge bench. Now that the administrative order has been passed, there has now to be a judicial order to send this to a 5-judge bench.
Okay.
As far as the Justice UU Lalit issue is concerned, what we are learning right now is that in fact Justice Lalit has conveyed that he would not like to hear the matter, in the sense that he has
recused?
To recuse himself from hearing this Ayodhya land dispute. What the Chief Justice of India... He has offered to recuse. The CJI has said today was fixed for fixing a date of hearing and drawing a timeline of the hearing before any hearing could be conducted. Dr. Rajiv Dhawan has made a statement that a member of the bench had appeared in a connected matter sometime in 1995. Dr. Dhawan said that though he has no objection to the judge hearing this matter. So now, of course, the court is writing its order down. What we know is that Justice UU Lalit has offered to recuse himself from this matter.